here we are under the IROC, the headers. We're trying to get the exhaust on. So the connecting pipes from the headers are here. Obviously our trans cross member in the back, that interferes. Nothing seems to really want to sit right where it should. Hangs down too low. I can't really get these pipes fully on to the headers here. I ended up cutting shift cable mounts too on the trans. This is a 700R4, and of course nobody makes a mount for this for the back to clear the headers or the dual exhaust system. So I think what I'm going to do is remove trans mount here in the back, and we'll see if we can notch this on both sides. This side is not as bad. This side's completely, there's just no clearance whatsoever. And of course we got the fuel line and other cables running right next to the exhaust. If I look at the headers up front here, I mean, they're tucked in nice. If you look at it here, there's the bottom of your frame, if you want to call it, and the headers tuck right in. We have a cross member marked, so we'll go ahead and take our grinder and start notching this out for our exhaust pipe to fit. Here I have the trans mount cut and some support pieces welded in between. Not my best looking weld job, but it's nice and solid. We'll clean this up, give it a coat of paint, and see how it fits in the vehicle. So here we have a fresh coat of paint on the transmission rear cross member, modified. So we'll get this in the vehicle and see how that's going to work. Make sure it's going to clear our headers. The exhaust should fit much better since we got the clearance here and on the other side here. So let's get this in the car. So underneath the vehicle we have the trans mount back on the car. You can see now that'll give us plenty of clearance around our exhaust pipe. You can see the driver's side here and the passenger side here. Looks to be perfect, and that should work. And if you look in the front here, I did have to clip a little bit of the trans shifter mount, but this should work. Naturally on these cars, when you do this, the exhaust is going to have minimal clearance, ground clearance at least. But this is way better than what it was without chopping the trans mount. So we have the exhaust white pipe and the complete exhaust hooked up. Now you can see modifying our trans cross member gave us the perfect clearance that we need on both sides. Doesn't get any better than that. That's perfect. Thank you for watching.